Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Jinshiro. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. The weather is so beautiful. Don't you all love it? So today I decided to take some videos outside because of the weather. It was so beautiful. Today we are going to start our morning different with a good healthy smoothie. We are doing avocado and banana smoothie. Just take your 2 bananas and 1 avocado. That is enough for your recipe. And we are going also to incorporate with some ice cubes, milk, and that's it practically. So go ahead and slice your banana into small pieces. You can see how beautiful these flowers are. The tulips, don't you all love today's video? So I felt so happy about life today. And as they say, life never seems to be the way we want it, but we live it the best way we can. Because there's no perfect life, but we can feel it with the perfect moments. And remember, the beautiful journey of today can only begin when we learn to let go of yesterday. And as you can see, the weather gave me so much hope, and that's why I had this great motivation of making this smoothie, the banana and avocado smoothie. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl, subscribe to my videos. Share with your friends and family because each week I promise you I'll be bringing more content to you. Help me to grow. So, how do you like to prepare your smoothie? And have you tried this one to be specific? Because this one, I'm telling you, you're going to love it, especially when you're doing your workouts, when you don't feel like consuming something heavy in your stomach, or you don't want to cook, you're just having a lazy morning. Okay, not like lazy, but I'm telling you, this one will come through for you and it's healthy and nutritious. So, don't forget to share my videos, leave a comment if you enjoyed today's recipe and the videos that I had to incorporate in between. So let me know what you want me to prepare also next on this channel, and I hope you enjoy and may you continue to glow and shine as these tulips. Until next time, bye bye.